Hello everybody, this is Dean Ed Munsanteth of the Honors College. I want to welcome you to our new video newsletter. We are using this instead of Provenance going forward, our wonderful alumni magazine that Dan Girth has edited for a long time, for years. And I want to thank Dan particularly and all the students who work with him who are putting together this really wonderful magazine that has won national awards and has been very exciting. But it is now time for us to move to the digital age. So I want to welcome you to what will be a quarterly newsletter with a brief message from me. Those of you who know me will wonder whether brief is possible, but I'll do my best. And information about what's going on in the college. One of the most exciting things that's going on right now is our internship program. We are now in late March and we are getting ready to send students to Washington, D.C. and through our Pershing Interns program to St. Louis to work in nonprofits. These are both paid internships. They're really exciting. The Pershing Charitable Trust has made $80,000 available for our interns to work all over St. Louis. And in DC, our alumni, particularly with the help of Dick Young and Karen Gladbach in Washington, DC, they've made it possible for us to send 3 to 5 students to the nation's capital on paid internships. We offer them housing, room and board, and relationships with our alumni. There will also be our Honors Ball on April 5th. Looking forward to seeing as many of you there as would like to be there. There'll be an alumni event for the first hour from 5 to 6, and then dancing and celebration with the community. Hope you can be there. We'd love to see you. Thank you for listening. We are looking forward to being in contact with you. I hope you find this new newsletter interesting, informative. Let me know what you think. Anytime you want to stop by the college, please do so. We're always excited to talk to our alum. And of course, there'll be ongoing opportunities to engage with the college, either through the Honors Ball, through the Opportunity Scholars Program, or the many other ways that we have the good fortune of having our alumni help us with our wonderful students. Thank you very much, and we'll talk again soon.